Hello YouTube, Steve here. In this video, I'm gonna show how I made this Wi-Fi audio streamer. You can see I have very big antenna attached to it. It's not needed. You can put a small 3 dB antenna. Before we start, a quick shout out to a sponsor of today's video. JLC PCB are the world's largest PCB manufacturer. They offer 2-layer, 4-layer, 6-layer and SMT stencil. JLC PCB has updated their website. Now JLC PCB has widely cut up to 30% on 1 to 6 layer PCB and up to 20% on stencil and up to 10% on shipping. Upload your Gerber file today and get your first 10 PCB just for $2. I have made few PCBs using JLC PCB service and you can see the PCB quality. It's just mind blowing. For this project I have used a aluminum enclosure, a Wi-Fi wire extender, a pair of RCA socket, a 5.5 mm DC socket, a Up2Stream mini Wi-Fi audio receiver module, a Wi-Fi antenna. I will leave all the part list with purchasing link and Gerber file in the description below. You can check that out. You can just go to lcsc.com and order a component without any problem. A little talk about lcsc.com. They are the largest electronic part supplier. Ready for shipping, takes only 4 hours and they ship worldwide.
Wi-Fi is starting. Entering setup mode. Follow the instructions in the app to finish the setup. You are now connected to your speaker. Follow the instructions in the app to finish the setup. Connected to your Wi-Fi network.
That's all for today's guys. Hope you liked this video. Please like, comment and subscribe and stay tuned for next video.